Hey, I'm over here in a house in Parma, Ohio. I'm going through, supposedly, it's pretty much finished except for a few things. And that's why it's really good for someone like me to be helping me run these investment real estate deals, is because you don't know exactly what's all done. Like you saw the ladder in there, but they did all this real well. And they did the smoke detectors, the carbon detectors, and then the plumbing and everything needs to go through too. So like that's brand new, and this was all good in here, but they had left the floors not evenly done, and I made them come back and do it. It looks great now. And we always put the new blinds in. Now one thing that we do with the blinds is kind of cool, is they have the new ones now, so you just take them up and you pull them down. And I've noticed with the last few homes that they have lasted a lot longer. But these are wood floors. We like to put the vinyl strip down floors if they're good. And then also, I'll show you here, my plumber who just changed everything, left everything right there. So he's got to come back. So you can see the different stuff, but I go through, make sure the finishes are good, make sure stuff is done correctly. We can go ahead and put this one on the market. It's a rental, but they're going to come back over here. I send them pictures, and this will get done. These guys have worked with me for 10 years. So, and this down here, they got to come down here. They got to fix that. So a couple things they have to fix, nothing major, but it needs to be done and addressed so it's a finished product. When you're renting property for top dollar, you need to make sure that all this stuff is good and running well. This particular house, and the plumbing is so crucial. As you can see, we replaced all of that. And then we had to put new plumbing in here and make sure that all the stuff drains. And this right here, for example, this here needs painted. This is a brand new door, but they didn't paint it. So, and we do put new plugs and switches in the houses. Why? So we don't have to deal with the issues. So this is just a quick video to show you that, especially if you don't live in the state or country, you need somebody that's going to go through here and watch these things. I come through here every week, check them out until they're finished and on the market and leased. So we've done hundreds of these deals. So I have a good eye on this stuff, and we know what to do. So again, if you're looking for this type of real estate, call me. I'm Brett with Fathom Realty, 216-703-5740. 216-703-5740. Thanks and have a great day.